If you want to sound like a Band 8 IELTS candidate, stop using basic words like because, also, and for example, and start using academic alternatives instead. I'm Daily English Teacher, and today I'll show you how to instantly upgrade your IELTS vocabulary. Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll look at the most common basic words IELTS students overuse, and I'll give you natural, formal, and academic replacements. Whether you're preparing for IELTS writing or speaking, these words will help you sound more advanced and confident. Let's start with one of the most overused words, because. Instead of saying, I didn't go out because it was raining, try, I didn't go out due to the rain. I stayed home as it was raining. I stayed home since the weather was bad. Owing to the heavy rain, I stayed home. Due to, and owing to are formal. Great for IELTS writing task 2. Next, the word also is to casual. Try these instead. Moreover adds another strong idea. Furthermore, same meaning, but a bit more formal. In addition, neutral and elegant. What is more advanced and stylish? Example, wrong. Also, people should recycle more, right? Furthermore, individuals should make an effort to recycle. Don't always say for example. Mix it up with these, for instance. As follows. Such as. Namely, example, some countries, such as Japan and Korea, invest heavily in education. There are many ways to improve your writing, for instance, by reading academic journals. Instead of always using but, say, however. Nevertheless. On the other hand. Even though. Example. Wrong. I like coffee, but it's bad for my sleep. Right. I like coffee, however, it affects my sleep. In IELTS writing, a lot is too informal. Use many, numerous countable nouns. Much, a great deal of uncountable nouns. A large number of, a vast amount of advanced versions. Example. Wrong. A lot of people think this way. Right. A large number of people hold this opinion. Okay. Quick review. 1. Because, due to, owing to, as, since. 2. Also, moreover, furthermore, what is more. 3. For example, for instance, such as, namely. 4. But, however, on the other hand. 5. A lot, a large number of, numerous, quiz time. Which sounds more academic. 1. Also, this idea is important. To a furthermore, this idea is significant. Answer. 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IELTS vocabulary lessons. And tell me in the comments, which word did you replace today? I'll see you in Chapter 2 IELTS Writing Vocabulary.